My name is Florrie White and I'm a makeup artist. I was born in London in the 70s, then grew up from the age of 13 in a Scottish boarding school in the middle of Edinburgh. Last year was the first time I worked for the Met Ball, and I worked with two of my favourite clients, Alexa Chung and another of my favourites, Poppy Delevingne, two of my favourite girls at one of the biggest fashion events, and so I hope to do something similar this year. When I'm not working, I'm probably my happiest on a yoga mat, but I'm also the last one on a dance floor, so it really is about learning a life balance. The best advice that's ever been given was probably by my father, and it was reach for the stars. So I like to think now I'm reaching for the stars, but maybe with a mascara wand or a blusher brush. My beauty aesthetic in 3 words would be classic modern beauty. My beauty icon is Debbie Harry in the 70s, and I love her because of her attitude, strength of character, and her bone structure. Beauty means to me a confidence and a happiness. Looking at a trend, taking inspiration from it, but also being true to yourself.